Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm. I've got some broccoli, some garlic scapes, some summer squash, some fresh green shallot, sugar snap peas. I'm making a veggie paella. Check it out. Alright, I've got about 6 cups of water here I'm bringing to a boil. Add the spices. Check out my website for the spice mix. Really good. I'm throwing in some fresh thyme. Let that simmer. I'm going to chop up 1 green shallot this time of year. Onions aren't cured yet, so you can use as much of the plant as looks good to you. I mean, check for dirt in the leaves and stuff. Give it a good wash, but if the greens look good, chop them up and use them in the dish. I'm chopping up 1 garlic scape. That's the flower of the garlic plant. Adds a nice garlic flavor. Cooks at about the same time as the onion, so I'll add them together and get that nicely chopped up. And with this dish, you don't need a ton of veggies. You're not making a casserole. You're making paella. So a little handful of this, a little handful of that. You can see I'm deveining my sugar snap peas. That's just pulling that little string out. If you don't get them all, don't stress about it. It just sometimes can be a little stringy. I like to remove that bit. Got a couple little heads of broccoli. Break those into florets. Then I've got a summer squash here. Again, I'm not using a lot of veggies for this dish. This makes a lot of food, and you don't need a lot of veggies. I'm going to do a roll cut on this, so I'm just adding different shapes and textures to it. I think it just adds more fun, more flavor to the dish. It's just more enjoyable. I'm going to saute my garlic scapes and my shallot, or onion would work really great here too. And those are nicely sauteed, just a couple minutes. I'm going to add the broccoli and the summer squash. Give those a nice little saute. You can use a regular pan. You don't have to have a paella pan. Large flat bottom pan is all you need. Paella pans are cool, but if you don't have one, these will work. Add the snow peas just for a minute. You're going to add the rice. Give that a nice little toast on it. I'm going to add some tomato, about half, 3/4 of a cup. Adds a nice umami richness to the dish. I really like it. Recommend it highly. Mix that in, saute that for just a little bit, and then I'm going to add the broth that's been simmering with the thyme and spices. Add that in. Now with this dish, so then you're going to want to I'll add the hot broth in, give it a little shuffle, and then I'm going to let it sit, and you don't want to touch it. And then when you know it's done, it's going to slowly cook down the liquid, leave it uncovered, and you're looking for that sokharat, that rice, little crispy rice. And the best way I've found for it, it smells a little nutty when it's ready, but check and see if the rice is done. When you see a nice little crispness on the rice, you know you're good to go. And that's when it's time to serve it. Alright, my paella's done here. Check it out, it smells great. Rice looks perfect. A little salt. A little bit of lemon. Let's try it out. Why am I not eating this every day? Oh my goodness, this is so good. Wow. It's not that hard to make. You can do this, and it is so good. I highly recommend it. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.